first grade. Good morning. This week, I want to talk to you about the main idea of a story. And so, of course, I have a story for you this morning, but we're going to be talking about what is a main idea and how most every story has one. And so when you're looking for the main idea in a story, you want to be looking for what the story is mostly about. And I have a story for you here today, and I want you to be listening carefully. You'll hear lots of details and lots of important information, but at the end, I'm going to ask you what you think this story is mostly about to tell me what you think the main idea is. Ready?
Moon, Earth's Best Friend by Stacy McNulty and Stevie Lewis. Look up, look up, look up. It's me, Moon. I'm Earth's best friend. Where Earth goes, I go. We have been together since the beginning, almost. Let me tell you our story. Once upon a time, about 4.5 billion years ago, a space rock the size of Mars crashed into baby Earth. Big ol' mess. Pieces of rock, chunks of Earth, and even lava were blasted into space. This crash trash came together to make me a satellite. Actually, I'm Earth's only natural satellite. Natural, not created by Earthlings. Satellite, I circle the Earth. She has thousands of human-made satellites, too. They're mostly metal and plastic, not exactly best friend material. Guess that makes me Earth's #1 real sidekick. It takes me 27.3 days to go around Earth once. It also takes me 27.3 days to spin once. Coincidence? I think not. This means I'm dependable. My face always smiles at Earth. You never see my backside. But you probably notice I look different every night. Fun, right? Check out my phases. Waning crescent, last quarter, waning gibbous, full moon, waxing gibbous, first quarter, waxing crescent, new moon. Some other planets have best friends too. I am Moon, but I'm not the only moon in the solar system. Of all the moons, I'm 5th biggest. I'll always be Earth's pal, but that doesn't mean we're twinsies. She's bigger, 4 times bigger. And her gravity is 6 times stronger. Gravity, the invisible force that makes an apple fall to the ground instead of flying up into the sky. A cow that weighs 600 pounds on Earth would only weigh 100 pounds on me. Speaking of cows, Earth has cows and nursery rhymes starring cows. But a cow has never jumped over me. I'm too far away for even a kangaroo to make that leap. Average distance between Earth and me, 238,855 miles. You could fit 30 Earths in that distance and probably a gazillion cows. BFFs help each other out. I keep Earth from being too wobbly. This might be the most important thing I do. And you probably didn't even know about it. With me, gentle spinning, my gravity at work. Without me, topsy-turvy. Don't worry, moon gazers, you're never without me. I don't disappear during the day. I'm always here for Earth. You just can't see me when it's super bright out, or when it's cloudy, or when I'm on the other side of Earth. I can prove I'm always here. Check out the ocean's tides. High tide happens twice a day. Low tide happens twice a day. That's gravity again, my gravity pulling on Earth's oceans. I have the best views of Earth, and Earth has the best views of me, but some Earthlings wanted to see me up close. I'm the only other place in the universe where man has set foot, and I do mean man. I'm still waiting for my first female astronaut. I've had 12 moonwalkers and a few left footprints, and some of those footprints are still here. No wind or rain or snow to mess them up. Other things you won't find on me: oxygen, mosquitoes, which is a good thing, I think, plants, animals, including cows, liquid water, Things you will find on me: rocks, really big rocks, more rocks, nail clippers, golf ball, falcon feather, presents from Earth, stuff left behind by untidy astronauts, American flag, hammer. Earth and I have so much fun together, like when we play Eclipse, solar eclipse. I hide sun for a few minutes. We play this during the day. Lunar eclipse, Earth's shadow passes over me, and we play this at night. I'm always here for Earth. I'm always here for you. Where Earth goes, I go. And where Earth goes, you go. Guess that makes us best friends too.
I hope you like that story. Now what I'd like to do is talk to you about the main idea of a story. So I wrote down some details and some information I heard in the story about Moon. I wrote down the Moon is a satellite. The Moon orbits the Earth. There is less gravity on the Moon. Other planets have moons too. The Moon has phases. We learned so much information in that story, but there's only one real main idea of this story. Does anybody think you know what it is? Do you think you know what the main idea is? I think you've got it. It's really simple. The main idea of this whole story is the moon, specifically Earth's moon. And so we're going to start practicing this week finding the main idea in a story, because all stories have main ideas. In your learning packs that Miss Robbins and I made for first graders, we put in main idea cards that look like this. You might have been wondering what these are for. And these are a really cool main idea game that I would like you to practice at home. They're super fun. And so if you were practicing with a brother or sister or mom and dad, you would not show that person the card. What you would do is you would read all of the details on the card, and then your partner has to guess the main idea. Are you ready to try with me? Okay, pretend you didn't just see that. Ready? Here are the details. Numbers, shapes, add, subtract, fractions, measure, problems, facts. Do you think you know the main idea? If you guessed math, math is the main idea of this card. And so I'd like you to see if you can try playing the main idea game with these cards at home. And if you already work through your deck, your main idea card deck, you can start making your own main idea cards and working with main idea. Have fun and work hard this week. I can't wait to see your learning.